Hi there, Allison. This is Sheena with SOP Digital Solutions. We talked the other day about sending you a video, and so we're sending you one right now. Now, we're working with different plumbing companies all over the country, and because we are looking to work with someone in San Antonio, I came across your listing in Google, and then I checked on your website. So this customized video is about how you can beat out your competition and be able to bring those customers in through search engine and, increase that revenue. I don't want to waste any of your time. If by the end of this video you love what you hear or you want to know more, please let me know. Don't hesitate to call. But if not, no big deal. The free tips that I'm sharing you today is for you to use and see how they work out for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, I went ahead and audited your website, and I do see here that, it's really clean website. You have some really good call to action here. You have options of online request and also call now. And what else? You have a phone number here that can be clicked, so that's very user friendly for our customers. So one thing that I want to be able to let you know is that Google loves words, and it has crawlers, and those crawlers crawls to each and every single website and checks on the relevance of the content within the website. And it checks if, the content of your website is, it has those information like offers, services, and having that said, it's looking like we just have 399 words. Usually the minimum will be 1,500, and also, of course, depending on your competition, if they have 1,500, then you want to outrank them with that and have 2,000. So, that's something that we can improve and increase. Another thing will be keywords. So not just keywords, keywords that are being utilized by your customers. So for example, plumbing in San Antonio, right? So you want to have that plumbing in San Antonio. So you have plumbing and remodeling. So it's not if we combine it with San Antonio, that will be your keywords, and that will help you out as well. And if you put those quality keywords all throughout your website, that will help you a lot and rank up high. So speaking of keywords, let's go ahead and search that plumbing in San Antonio. So we got this result. So this part right here is Google Map Pack, and this part, those top three companies are the ones that are receiving almost all the work out there, and you want to be found here. So there are three things that will help out in order for you to be ranked up there. One will be filling out a Google My Business, and so you'll have a profile, and next will be basically filling it out completely. So you're open, you're closed, your availability. So all information should be filled out on there. And also you have to have your company name, exact phone number, exact address, no missing, letter or two. But once you have those information, you want to be able to put that in all directories all throughout the internet. So if Anchor Plumbing Services has their name, their information, those three informations in 45 or 40 directories, you have to get those 40 directories. You have to be listed in those 40 directories plus more. So that's how you'll outrank them here. So it's not you know, it's not too bad. It's not too hard. Next will be, so this is organic and this search is organic as well. So this is directory, Yelp is one of the directories. So, I mean, this is your main competition, and, you know, they can quickly outrank Yelp if they choose to. But let's go ahead and check and see what their the content of their website is. All right, so they have phone number, clickable phone number as well, reviewed by Google. I mean, having this Google reviews is helpful as well, but you know, of course, it's a combination of everything. So they have video, humongous photos. They have their reviews here, maps. So it's looking like, you know, I mean, there are improvement in words, you know, and definitions. But let's go ahead and check and see exactly, you know, what they have in their website. So I have this Ahrefs. It's an application that, you know, that I utilize in order for me to check on your competition and basically beat them from there. So we'll discuss the UR rating and DR rating. So URL rating is basically your URL rating. It's like your reputation rating or credit score rating. How reputable your website is. Then DR rating is domain rating. So this tells us how powerful your website is, and they should be relatively close to each other. Now, these two are powered by backlinks. Now, backlinks, these are links that are found in, you know, other websites, maybe blog, directory, or any other partner websites, as to where, you know, they will utilize your link and state that, you know, you have to click onto this link. It's like a shout out. So, you know, basically once a customer or any viewer clicks in to that link, and it traces back to your website. So that's what backlink means. And then organic keywords, this is one of the biggest things that we have to have, because these are the words that your potential customers are utilizing in order for them to search the service, right? So plumbers, San Antonio, they, you know, potential customers have utilized that word 2,500 in average a month, and the Blue Frog position is at 2, so they are in first page. Plumber San Antonio, 900 searches, they are at 3, first page again. San Antonio Plumbers, 800 searches, they are at 4, first page. Plumbing San Antonio, 700, they are in first page, you know, with a position of 3. So, and so on and so forth. So we want to be able to get those information. Let's just quickly check on yours. All right, organic keywords. Let's see how relevant the keywords that you have utilized is. So we have San Antonio. So you just want to have those relevant keywords on there, and I'm not seeing any of them. All right, so, you know, just, you know, utilizing those quality keywords will help you out get ranked higher. And let's go ahead and just check on. So you have 20, they have 32, 14, powerful website, good, I mean, good amount of, domain rating. Now your backlinks can be improved, and again, just utilizing their backlink, the website that they have will help you out. Now you have 121 organic keywords. They have, they have 2,600, right? So if we improve, if we, just replicate what they have, we'll be able to rank you. And what's in it for you? So what's in it for you is that we'll be able to increase your traffic. These are potential customers that we're missing out on average each month, right? So you're at 121. You already have your website, so being able to take advantage of all the tips that I'm giving you will help you get way more clients. So I hope this helped out. If you have any questions, let me know. Shoot me an email or call me. I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback. Thank you so much, and you have a great day. Bye.